Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing the back screws with a T8 or Torx security driver. This gives access without stripping. Once the shell is loose, use a plastic spudger to pry along the seam. Metal can mar clips. Make sure to unplug the battery pack and any ribbon cables as soon as the halves separate, because even a small short can damage the board. Keep screws organized by location so reassembly goes smoothly. You now inspect the bumper assembly. Note the spring orientation, hinge tabs, and any rubber conductive pads. Carefully remove the damaged plastic bumper with tweezers and lift the small spring straight up so it doesn't fly away. If the rubber pad is worn, replace it or use a conductive tape patch. If the plastic hinge is broken, swap in a replacement or a 3D printed part. Once installed, press the bumper several times to confirm smooth travel and proper spring return. You finish by reconnecting ribbon cables and the battery, making sure ribbon ends seat flush. Align the shell clips, then close gently so nothing pinches. Tighten screws progressively and avoid over-tightening to prevent cracking. Power the console and test bumper inputs in the controller settings or a game. If the bumper still feels off, open it again and clean the contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and inspect the spring and hinge seating. Repeat adjustments until the click feels solid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.